Welcome everyone to another video. Today in this video I like to share you guys how to check your iPhone is bypassed or not. I'm Shadat from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. Generally bypass two types, permanent and temporary. So at first go to your phone setting, then general. Then you can find software update. If your phone is bypassed, you don't get this option software update. My iPhone X are completely okay, so I have this option. When I tap on this option, I got new software update is iOS 14.7.1. Next, if your iPhone is bypassed, you don't get reset option because when your phone is bypassed, they are remove software update and reset option. So now you can easily identify your iPhone is bypassed or not. By the way, iPhone 12 Pro Max and DSLR camera comparison coming very soon, so subscribe right now and press the bell icon. Okay, today video about that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you next time with another video. I'm Shadat from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.